Okay, so let's bring your arms down to the armrests.
Oh, that one is
Right there. Shoulders ever get tight?
Yeah, with stress.
Tender?
Yes.
Tender. Not too bad.
Not really.
Okay, I'm gonna push into your sacrum here, like this. Do you feel any
Okay.
pain when I push there?
No.
Any pain here?
No.
Do you have any pain here?
Yeah.
Is it underneath my hand or is it somewhere else?
Can you try that again?
Here.
It's under your hand.
Okay, what about if I go here?
A little bit, but not as much.
Okay. Okay, let your shoulders relax, let your hips relax. Good. Okay, so I'm going to put the block underneath of your right hip like this, down. Left hip up, down. Do you have any pain when I push there now?
A little bit, but a little bit lower. It doesn't hurt when you push right there. I don't know how to explain that.
Well, we changed the tension because I put you up on the blocks.
Oh.
So it's because I'm pushing in the same place as I was before. Okay, so you definitely have some lumbar stuff happening here at this L5. Okay, so left or right, which is more tender or same?
I'd say this one.
Okay. Okay, Helene. So let's just start loosening up your spine here, okay?
Okay.
Very gentle. We're going to start with this one here. So you're going to breathe in through your nose, not through your mouth. I'm not adjusting you yet. We're just practicing. Like yeah, good. Sink in. I'm going to follow your breath down like that. And so did you see how it already moved like that? That's because we've got the blocks in the right place and you're breathing and we're pushing it. Does your back crack on its own?
No.
Okay, good. Breathing in and out. Go let the shoulders sink in. Give this a little push here. That's good.
Is that feedback?
Yeah, what, did you say something? Okay, same thing. Let yourself relax. Breathe in. Let your shoulders relax. Man.
So real.
It just like goes too. Well, you know why we just had that whole.
Yeah, I was gonna say, doesn't this make sense? There's a lot of energy being released.
Yeah. Tender when I push it, when we do it right here? Tender?
Not really.
Okay, so let me recheck your hips and let's just see. I'm gonna do one test here. Let your knees just kind of relax. Let me bend your knees, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna pull your socks down just a little bit.
Okay.
Let this relax. Let your knees relax. Let me do the work, okay? Okay, let's do this. Lay on your left side with your right side up. Okay, bottom leg is straight. Good, bend the top leg. Okay, so we're gonna stretch out your right hip here.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull this forward too, and this here to here. Let's pop this up. Okay, so you're just gonna kind of breathe.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna use your shoulders to come back like this, and then your hips are gonna come forward. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Okay, your hips are gonna come down like this, and then when we get to like right there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do that again. In, out, gentle, gentle, gentle. On your back. Ready? Just gonna bring this to here, and I'll scoot you forward here like this. I'll pull your shoulders back like this. Here, here. Letting your shoulders sink in, breathing. Good, let the hip go. Good, let the shoulder go. Good. Good. One more time. Gentle breath. Lay on your back. Okay, turn your head to the right. Back to center. Left. Center. Again to the left. Center. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the right side first.
Okay, so where do I look?
Close your eyes.
Oh, okay.
Look within. Good. Letting everything sink in here. Breathing gently. Good. Nice and gentle. You are super relaxed. That was like butter. I didn't even stop to explain it because you were already so relaxed. I was like, I don't think I can get any more relaxed than this.
Right, if anything, I better tense back up because I think I wasn't relaxed.
That's awesome. Let's do the left side now. Same breathing, gentle, and just kind of sinking in. Good, letting it all sink. Good. Gentle. Okay, Helene, this next one, I'm going to lift your head like this, but let your head drop.
Okay.
I'm going to lift your head and we're going to pull in that direction, okay? Cool. Shoulders relaxed, gentle. Good. Okay, which one? Sorry.
This one.
Alright. Let's test the range of motion first. Let's just
Okay.
kind of see how the ankle's moving. Oh man, there's still swelling in here. Do you have any pain? So is the pain all here?
The pain is like when I point my toes.
And then it's up
But
here?
it's pain right there, yeah.
Okay, let's do this then. That's good. Okay, let your shoulders sink in.
Okay.
And then, do you have any pain here? Like that?
No.
Do you have any pain here? Like that?
No.
Okay, so we can adjust your talus here. We'll do that one first. Just kind of let your whole body sink into the table. Go very gentle. Let this ankle go. Good. Not quite. One more time. Let this all go. Let's go down the navicular. Hold on. Well, you could definitely use some ice on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I would do. I would ice it tonight.
Right.
No heat, okay?
No. No. No, only ice.
Alright, stand up. How's it feel?
Oh, it feels better. My neck feels better.
A little looser?
Yeah. Oh, that's stress. Right, I was gonna say, I feel like we just left hot yoga. Like, I feel like, yeah, released.
He's in my room.